the one. When the one whose hand you're holding is the one who holds your heart, when the one whose eyes you gaze into gives your hopes and dreams their start, when the one you think of first and last is the one who holds you tight, and the things you plan together make the whole world seem just right. When the one whom you believe in puts their faith and trust in you, you've found the one and only love you'll share your whole life through.
If she can love a guy like me, that girl can do about anything. Cause Lord knows I've got brains to fix, but that ain't backed her down an inch. She's my lost heart saving grace. She's my
Oh, you're mic'd up.
Yeah, I'm mic'd up.
Were you able to kiss or no?
Yeah, quick kiss. She looks so gorgeous. My God. I, John, take you, Ashley, to be my lawfully wedded wife, my constant friend, my faithful partner, and my everlasting love from this day forward. In the presence of God, my family, and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be my partner in sickness and health,
joy and sorrow, in life as well as in death. Promise to love you unconditionally, to honor and respect you, to laugh with you and cry with you, to cherish you both in this life and the next.
She's my lost heart saving grace. She's my eyes closed leap of faith. Not just anyone can love me just the way I am, but she can. Yeah, she can. She can.
By the power of your love and commitment to each other, and by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you man and wife. John, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. John and Ashley Raymond.
Let's go. You ain't gotta ask me.
Let's get to the obvious. John's a Cowboys fan. We all know that. We all know that. But the way he treats my daughter, I love him like my son. John's great. Ashley, you know I love you. John, I love you too. Everybody, raise your glass. John and Ashley. Salute.
This life, yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. It's about this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
John and Ashley, you are two of the most genuine and deserving people I know. I wish you both nothing but the best, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you both. So let's all cheers for her and John. Ash, the first night at bed when you left, brought me here with two girls in English. That's a wrong one. All right, let's make another toast.
This life, yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. It's about this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life.
The one thing that kept coming back to my mind was that through all these years, you two never looked like you should have been together. Whether it was our late teens, our early 20s, or now when we're masquerading as adults, you two decided if you were going down, it was going down together. John, Ashley, as two of my closest friends, I'm beyond grateful that I got to be here and be part of your special day. I think I speak for myself and everybody here that we are wishing nothing but the best for you going forward. So if everybody could raise their glass one more time for these fucking lovebirds.